السلام عليكم بويناس ديال الناس اللي تتفرجوا فينا بالنهار، بويناس نوتشاس الناس اللي تتفرجوا فينا بالليل. اليوم رجعنا بفيديو جديد، فيديو اللي صراحه كما توشاني يعني غادي يقدر يتوشي الناس بزاف فيديو اللي خرجنا لعند الناس الاجانب اللي كاينين هنا في المغرب، وحاولنا نوصل لهم واحد الميساج زوين على الدين ديالنا، على الاسلام ديالنا. بلا ما نحرق لكم اشنو وقع في هذا الفيديو، خليكم تشوفوا الفيديو وما تنساوش ديما السبسكرايب والبارطاج واللايك، ونتلاقاو ان شاء الله في وسط الفيديو. سيو باي. غادي نبداو باول كوبل كاين قدامنا دابا، وغادي نشوفوا الرياكسيون ديالهم ونشوفوا بعدا واش غادي يقبلوا هذا التشالنج هذا ولا ما غاديش يقبلوا. كما قلنا غادي يعاوني في هذا التشالنج. المهم سولوهم ونشوفوا ديك الساعه. يلا معنا اول واحد غادي يزرو.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، الرحمن الرحيم، مالك يوم الدين، إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين، اهدنا الصراط المستقيم، صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
This is Arabic.
Yeah.
So I will not understand nothing.
You will guess what it is.
Yeah? Okay. I don't know if I have to be scared.
No. You have nothing to be scared of.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، الرحمن الرحيم، مالك يوم الدين، إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين، اهدنا الصراط المستقيم، صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم.
Your attitude about it.
Okay.
Okay.
Avec music?
You will find.
It's a surprise.
You will guess what it is.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، الرحمن الرحيم، مالك يوم الدين.
Nice voice. Nice voice.
Yes.
What do you think it is?
No, did you guess what is this?
You never listened
You
to
can
this?
guess. You can give me.
What's that?
Yeah.
This track. This song.
I don't know. I think
Looks
it's
like
something. I don't know.
religion.
Yeah.
Religion. Yes. It's the Quran.
It's the Quran.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the Quran.
How do you feel after listening this?
It's good.
It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah. How do you feel? Good.
But we we stayed in Marrakesh, and there was in the morning a song like this.
Yeah.
And, it's very beautiful. We wake up and very nice. No, I don't know.
You don't know what it is.
No,
It's your first time to listen to this?
I don't know really.
You really?
Is it a famous song?
No,
American
it's not,
song.
It's not a song. It is our Quran.
Holy Quran.
Okay.
It's our Quran.
Okay. It's my first time in Morocco.
Yeah.
Yes, I come
Yeah.
from Italy. Beautiful, really beautiful. Yes.
And about the sound? About the track?
It's nice. It's nice to hear. I cannot understand the words, so I don't know what I'm listening. But it's okay. Oh, sorry.
It feels okay.
Yeah,
Just listen to it.
yeah. It's relaxing.
Relaxing, yeah.
Yeah.
That's-
It's relaxing. It's suggestive.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for your
Thank
So,
you.
thank you so much.
C'est
Did you like it?
be good.
It's good or not?
It's good, but it's not something that's my genre.
Yes.
you-
Can you guess what it is?
No.
Can you guess what it is?
Well, no.
You
Yeah,
don't know what it is.
Any idea?
Any idea about it? Language.
It's Arabic language.
Yeah.
Language.
I get that much, so I get 10 points for that bit.
But how do you feel?
How did you feel after
Oh,
listening?
look, it stops this.
So
stops the brain.
It's good or?
Yeah.
Yeah, in that sense, it's calming.
It's calming, yeah.
Yeah. It's I suppose it's like some music in my country, but in
No,
a different
it's not the music.
language.
No, it's not the music. It has a relation with our religion.
Yeah.
Can you guess what it is?
Well, is it you when you go to pray?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's the Quran.
It's the Quran.
Yeah, and I was going
Yeah.
to say that, but I thought, nah, that's too obvious.
Yeah. So it is our Quran.
Yeah, and I thought that's what it is.
So thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
That's okay,
Goodbye.
But yeah, I did. That was my first thought. But
That's your first.
Yeah, but I didn't say it because I thought it was
It would be too obvious. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought
Okay.
it'd be.
Something else.
I was thinking, oh well, no, it's got to be something else. It's got to be a new genre of music. So yeah, that was my first thought. Honest.
Okay.
So okay, thank you so much.
Have a
Thank
good
you. Have a good day.